Hello everyone and welcome back to a new mini folio tutorial. It's Marina here and today I'm going to share with you how to create this mini folio that measures 14 by 14 centimeters or 5.5 by 5.5 inches. This is another design project I made for Nitwit Collections. Here are some photos to show you how you can put each photo on the flaps of the album. I decorated the folio with a new release by Nitwit which is called Endearments. Later on I will show you the digital papers I used as well as all the elements that I fuzzy cut with my scissors. In this folio you can definitely put a lot of pictures. Let's get started by constructing the base. I divided the pages in 3 parts, so in this way the construction will be more easy to understand it. Now I'm burnish well with a bone folder all these scoring lines. Now I take the pages of part B and I put double-sided tape only on the 1.5 scored part. I am going to use a border punch to create a nice border on part B and C. Let's continue to assemble the folio. Part A is the base and then we take part B and stick the flaps like this. I put liquid glue on the 1.5 scored part and stick the first flap of part C. We continue building the folio in this way. We fold the folio like this. I'll show you one more time how we fold it. And we open it in this way. So I used digital papers to decorate the album. The bundle I used is a new release by Nitwit Collections and is called Endearments. And when you buy the bundle you always save 20%, but of course you can buy all the individual packs as well. You will find all the links to download this gorgeous collection down below in the description area. I printed the papers in an horizontally direction, and one thing I really enjoy with all these papers by Nitwit is that they have a kind of a fabric background that gives an extra touch to the project. I print my papers on a 200 GSM white cardstock, and for this project I used only 10 sheets of paper. It has floral patterns, as you see, backgrounds with polka dots. And as always, you will find a lot of elements to print and cut. You can easily play with them on any scale you prefer. For me, the printing of the elements depends on how big or small project I have to work with. It has also flower clusters, tags, butterflies, and a lot of sentiments. You can also use all these elements to make a card for a friend or a thank you card, or even you can use this bundle for a bridal shower. I am using two magnets as a closure, but you can use ribbon as well by sticking a piece of double-sided tape here and on the back as shown. First, I put a small amount of liquid glue, I stick the magnet and I secure it with a piece of clear sellotape. Then I use another piece of sellotape with a sticky side up, I stick the magnet and press it down firmly. Now it's time for my favorite part. The decoration of the albums are always the most fun process. Here I am creating a pocket by using a piece of scrap stripe I had on my stash. That was the tutorial for today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me your comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!